Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome stuffed turkey breasts. This is the perfect alternative to cooking an entire turkey for Thanksgiving. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, you're going to need your turkey breasts, of course, that has been butterflied and deboned. You would also need to have some cream cheese, spinach, garlic, jalapeno, parsley, cranberry sauce, and melted butter. And to my spinach stuffing, I added some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. And then I gave it a really good mix just to make sure everything was perfectly combined. And then I set it aside and moved on to dealing with my turkey breasts. So covering my board with some saran wraps, I am going to go ahead and pound out my already butterfly turkey breast. I'm pounding it out because it tenderizes the meat, but it also evens out the thickness of the meat, so it's easy for you to roll. Okay, so I use the flat side of my meat mallet to do this because you don't want to tear your meat apart. So be gentle, guys, be gentle. So after pounding, I'm going to go ahead and add my cranberry sauce. Today I'm using store-bought cranberry sauce, but you can make yours yourself. It's pretty easy to make. So once I have my cranberry sauce on there, I season with some salt. Lots of salt. It's a big breast, so you want to get enough salt on it. Then I added some freshly cracked black pepper. A lot of pepper because, I like it. Then I threw on some paprika because I always add paprika to pretty much every type of meat that I cook. And I finished this up with some rosemary. So now I'm adding my cream spinach stuffing on there and I smoothened everything out and it was time to roll this bad boy up. So take your time here. Do not worry if it looks a little bit messy because it is a little bit messy. And of course, I added way too much stuffing. But, it's my bird. I can do whatever I want to do with it. You can add less, but for me, more is better when it comes to stuffing. So once I have it rolled up, I'm going to go ahead and use my butcher's twine to truss this. Guys, do not worry about how unevenly shaped my turkey breast looks. It doesn't look pretty. It's messy getting this tied up, but it's totally fine. When you are done, you can go ahead and clean things up and your turkey breast is still going to come out looking really, really nice. As you can tell, I am no professional at doing this, so it looked a little bit wonky, but in the end, it turned out perfect. So this is the turkey breast after I was done trussing it, and now I am brushing on some melted butter on top of it. The melted butter is going to help the salt and the black pepper stick to my meat, but it's also going to give it a really, really nice and golden color when I cook it. So do not skip on the melted butter. It really makes a difference. Do not miss any spot. Get that melted butter all around. Season with your salt and your freshly cracked black pepper. So today I will be cooking my turkey breast in my air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around about 50 minutes. And halfway through, I made sure to open it out and flip it over to make sure that I get that beautiful color on all sides of my turkey breasts. So make sure to flip it over halfway through because you don't want to get one side burnt and one side looking uncooked. So this is what it looks like in the end, so golden and beautiful. So I measured the temperature quickly to be sure that I had a minimum of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I took this off the air fryer, let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. So while it's resting, be sure to cut off the butcher's twine because you want to get it out before the meat gets cold. If not, it's going to get stuck. So after resting, it's time to cut into this bad boy and look at how gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous it looks. The smell of the cheese, the spinach, the garlic, the butter, everything is just amazing, amazing. You definitely need to try this one, guys. You need to try this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, like and share this video with your friends and family and leave comments in the comment section down below. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. See you guys in the next video.